Hello everyone, welcome to EDC Gears. Today I have Convoy L21B and I have paired it with LHP73B 5000 Kelvin. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we get. So Convoy, very simple packaging, and I have selected this tan color. However, this looks like a champagne gold and looks really good in person, to be honest. And I was expecting it to be large, but it is not that large. Yeah, the head is definitely large, but overall the size is really good. All right, so let's remove the, okay, and here we have, so let me clean, there's some dust. Okay, so we have the LHP73B with the orange pill reflector. Looks really good, right? Nice. Okay, so let's remove this. You can always keep this because this comes really handy. Okay, so the head is pretty large and probably here the LED is sitting. So you get a really deep reflector. So the machining and the build quality is very good. This ridges or this knurling doesn't feel very protruding and it's soft to touch. It's not grabby at all. And it has a really nice feel to it. It's not very heavy. It might look very heavy, but it is not. So yeah, if you notice, it is slightly front heavy because of the larger head, and it's not shallow, or it has good amount of metal mass. So I think it's gonna keep the LHP73B happy and cool. So let's remove the tail section. So I have the EVE 50PL for high discharge rate. And here we have the 20 amp 12 group buck driver. So as this is a 20 amp, we get a metal post. So when you are putting it back, just make sure the non-anodized section goes towards the head. And the anodized thread goes towards the rear end. So here we have the tail switch. It has a double spring because of 20 amp. And this is a reverse switch. You can always change the reverse to forward switch, and you can also change the button to a backlit button. All right, so the operation remains same across the board for all the Convoy flashlights, apart from one or two different flashlight which has different UI. So I have programmed this to group 10, which has 1, 10, 35 and 100%. So 4 levels, right? So press. Okay, I think this is in group 2, and that's the reason this is 0.1% and looks really good. So let me do one thing. Let me show you how to change it. So what you have to do is we have to go to group 10. So to enter the configuration, what you have to do is you have to power on and then click half click the power button 20 times, and then you will see it's flashing, and then we'll have a small break, and then again it will flash. So the first flash, when you see that, you have to half press the button to enter the group configuration. If you miss that and go to the second flash, that is for the memory. So we are going to do it for the group, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we see half press. Now it will flash group 1, group 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on 10th, we will click 10. So I'll switch it off. Now we are in group 10. So this is 1%, 10%, 35%, and 100%. Wow, this thing is bright. And from this distance, it's almost 1 feet away. I can feel the heat. And I can already imagine this is going to be really, really good at throwing and generating a really good flood. So without wasting any more time, let's go outside and see how this performs. So today we have Convoy L21B with LHP73B 5000K 5000 Kelvin color temperature, which is paired with an orange pill reflector, which is pretty deep. And this is this particular emitter, which is LHP73B, is getting so good. This is probably getting into the second position of my favorite emitters. So let's start, and I have put this in group 10. So it has 1, 10, 35 and 100%. So I'll be calling it level 1, 2 and level 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is level 1, and you can already see it's a warm tone. Level 2. In level 2 already this is bright, and I can easily see the end of the park. Move the camera a little bit so you can see the end of the park. Yeah. And has a really, really nice large spill. Level 3. Wow, that's bright. And I have not even reached the level 4. So in level 3, I can already see the entire tree really well. This is fantastic. This is tree 2. And this is the last tree. This is bright. This is bright. Let me take a quick walk. I'll change the brightness. Right now it is in the highest brightness, or level 4. And you can see the spill. My goodness, this is bright. This thing is crazy bright. For a single emitter to do this, that's hats off from my side. And I can easily tint all these tree, the top and the bottom, without any worries. So let me switch the brightness. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, and I think level 3 is more than enough. This is sufficient for most of the cases. This is level 4. Wow, you can see the end of the tree, end of the park, and the tree outside the boundary very easily. That's crazy. That's crazy. Level 2, level 3, level 4. Wow, that's crazy. I am impressed. I am really, really impressed. This not only has a very good hotspot, though it's not defined, it's a smooth hotspot, and has a really good spill. All right, so here we have Convoy L21B with LHP73B 5K emitter. Let's head back inside. Welcome back. So you saw the performance and it's brutal, right? So my first Convoy, which is this M21B, I paired it with LHP73B, but this was 6500 Kelvin, um, which is like a pure white. And I knew this is a really powerful emitter, so I wanted to see if a different host and a different color temperature will make any difference, and I'm really happy with this. So this is my first L21B with such a large head and a large reflector, and I was wondering which one should I go for. So the first one I got is the LHP73B with 5000 Kelvin, and then I have another two, which is SFT90 and SFT42R, so I'll be covering them very soon. So I'm very impressed because the amount of light it generates. First, the LHP73B is a very powerful emitter which can produce around 8000 plus lumens of max brightness, and it does run hot, so that's something which you have to keep in mind. So as per the performance, I was very happy. The color tint, I don't know if I can show you side by side on this. So you can see this is the cool white, which is 6500 Kelvin, and this is the 5000. I don't think it's pretty visible. Let's see if I can show you on a white paper. No, it's blowing away. Let me grab the ISO a little. So if I can show you. So this is the 6500 Kelvin and this is the 5000 Kelvin. So no, it's not very visible. Back. So yeah, coming back to the point, this is fantastic. This is fantastic. This can be used for search and rescue, and it is going to be really good. So I think level 2, which is like 10%, is great for everyday use. Level 3 is very bright, and I'm not even talking about the level 4 because it's blindingly bright, and especially if it is paired with such a large deep reflector, you have a huge volume of light being produced. So to carry this, I got this what do you call it, hoster from Convoy, and the quality is really good. So you can see the build quality is really well. You can put this through your belt, and it has double lock system. It's very strong, very strong. So you can push your belt through this, you lock it, and then you lock with this button, and it is going to stay in your belt very well. And the total build quality is really good. So you put this inside here, that's it. And the best part is you still have some extra places you can carry things, probably your small knife, another small flashlight, you can do that. It's really good. So if you are planning to get the L21B, you can definitely give it a try. If you are wondering how to carry this, you can definitely give it a try, and it's very affordable, and it's not that expensive. So yeah, you can give it a try. Also, one thing which I have done is I have also got a smooth reflector. So this is the orange pill reflector which comes with LHP73B. So if I grab the M21B, you can see this also has the orange pill reflector, and I'm very interested to see what happens if I replace the orange pill reflector with a smooth reflector. So I have already got one. I'm going to give it a try. If you know, let me know if you want to see this difference in the beam quality or the beam pattern between smooth reflector and orange pill reflector. So I'll definitely get it done. All right, so I'm impressed with L21B. I am now excited to get the other two, which is SFT42R and the SFT90 tested because of this sheer size of the reflector. All right, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment and thumbs up. It will be really helpful for me to grow this channel. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family so that they can enjoy this content, and we can grow together. So thank you so much for watching. You have a great day, and see you in the next one.